In today's video, I'm going to teach you digital decluttering tips, how to organize your digital workspace for better focus. ClickUp. If your digital world feels scattered, this quick setup will give you a clean, calming structure you can rely on every day. We'll use ClickUp to build a simple hierarchy that reduces noise and makes it easy to find what you need. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in and working in a quiet, full-screen window so you can focus. Start by heading to ClickUp. Once you're in, we'll lay the foundation of your workspace. Think of ClickUp like a well-labeled cabinet. Spaces are the big drawers, folders are the dividers inside each drawer, and lists are the labeled sections where your actual items live. This mental model keeps you from overbuilding or mixing unrelated work. Create a new space. This is your top-level container, perfect for a team, a department, or a major area of your life or business. A clear space name sets the tone for everything inside it, so keep it short and obvious. If you work across multiple areas, create one space per area to prevent cross-contamination. Inside your new space, choose Folder. A folder groups related lists, helping you separate themes without creating chaos. For example, within a workspace, you might use folders like projects, operations, or planning. The key is to mirror how your brain sorts information. If you're unsure, start broad. You can refine later without losing momentum. Click Create to confirm the folder. At this point, pause for a second to sense check your structure. A good rule of thumb is that if you can't explain your space and folder names in one sentence, they may be too complicated. Consistency beats cleverness here. Open lists within that folder. Lists are where the action happens. Your tasks, documents, and views live here. Lists should be practical and immediately useful. Think about the exact buckets you reach for daily, like active projects, waiting, or reference. Keep it minimal to reduce decision fatigue. Click Create to add your first list. You can add more lists later, but starting with just one or two will keep your workspace lightweight and easy to scan. As you work, move items into the right list rather than creating new ones on the fly. That habit alone dramatically cuts clutter. You now have a clear 3-layer structure: space, folder, and lists. This simple setup helps you focus faster, find things instantly, and prevent mess from creeping back in. Maintain it by reviewing your lists weekly and archiving anything you no longer need. Stay consistent, and your digital workspace will stay clean.